What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, at the Jocelyn Smith trial, there is a state witness who revealed that Kelly took a rock outside, went into the house, then broke a window, the window that is inside her house. And in so doing, she then injured the wrist of her hand. This was all done whilst she was in an argument with her boyfriend. So the state witness revealed that Kelly Smith became agitated during her interaction with her boyfriend and another man. So obviously the question that I have is that what does this scene have to do with the investigation of Jocelyn Smith? We can see that this scene of Kelly Smith picking up a rock, smashing the window, and whilst being angry at her boyfriend, it shows Kelly's state of mind and behavior shortly before the disappearance of Jocelyn Smith. This event occurred one day before the Jocelyn Smith was reported missing. It shows that, Kelly was agitated, violent, and unstable during that period. So, by looking at the prosecution, what they are trying to do here, it is to build a picture of chaos and possible neglect inside the home. And also, they are trying to highlight, serious tension between Kelly and her boyfriend, which may link to a theory of internal conflict. Obviously, it doesn't explain exactly what happened to Jocelyn Smith, but it supports the state's argument, that the house itself was unstable. You know what I'm saying? By painting that picture, and showing that Kelly was unstable, there was chaos, conflict with her boyfriend and stuff. That's the picture that they are trying to paint here. Obviously, the defense, they will come and say that this moment in itself, it doesn't reveal anything. There is no link whatsoever. This was just a moment of personal distress for Kelly herself, and it's not like indicative of her overall character or her ability to care for Jocelyn Smith. The defense can go on and on like this was just an isolated incident. So overall, looking at this piece of the evidence, the judge might allow the evidence, but he obviously is going to decide how it can be used, maybe like limiting its relevance to a specific point in the case.